I am Dr. C. Immaculate Mary, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science, Sharada College for Women Autonomous, Salem 16. In this video tutorial, we will learn about the dictionaries which are used in Python. We'll just learn what a dictionary is and how it could be created and used in the real world situations. The dictionary is a useful data type built into Python. In the real world, we could see our contact list in our own phone. It is practically impossible to memorize the mobile number of everyone we come across. So in the contact list, we store the name of the persons as well as his number. So this allows us to identify the mobile number based on the person's name. So we can think of a person's name as the key that retrieves his mobile number and which is the value associated with the key. So we need to know what a dictionary refers in Python. A dictionary is a data structure which stores data in the form of key value pair of different data types, allowing us to organize our data in controlled ways. Learn how to create a dictionary. Uh, a dictionary is a collection of unordered set of key value pairs, and as far as the keys are concerned, it should be very unique, and it may be constructed using the curly braces, and the list of key value pairs are separated by commas, and a colon separating each of these key and value pairs, and the left of the colon operator or the keys, and the words to the right of the colon operator or the value. And this syntax for creating a dictionary is we can just have the name of the dictionary that is equal to some set of key value pairs are to be enclosed within the curly braces. So it starts with the first key value pair and it can end up with a n number of pairs. For example, we can just define the phone dictionary with the key is phone number and the value is the person's name. So likewise that we can just enclose all the set of items within the curly braces. We can have n number of key value pairs can be included. So this is a sample that we have taken up with the key value pairs. So this could be, so you can just view as if this could be as a table like. The points are to be noted while create the dictionaries. In dictionaries, the keys and their associated values can be of different types in the sense for example, the sample given over here has got the first key value pair both in the text, and the second key value pair is both are in the numeric, and in the third key value pair is numeric and the text. So this could be of any type. So when we combine this key value pair, it need not be the similar types. And we can also create an empty dictionary without any key value pairs enclosed in the curly parenthesis. For example, the syntax for this particular creating this empty dictionary is just you just have a curly braces without having any key value pairs. And in the dictionaries, the order of key value pairs doesn't matter. For example, we have defined the first dictionary ice cream one will have 3, 4, 5 as an data, and in the ice cream 2 we have 3, 5, 4. So the has been changed, order has been changed, but when you compare this ice cream 1 and 2, this will be one and the same, right? And so there is not necessary for the order to be maintained as far as this key value pass in the dictionary is concerned. And one more thing, the slicing in the dictionary is not allowed since they are not ordered like a list. we created the dictionary, we need to know how to access the dictionary. That is the how the key and the value pass can be retrieved. So it could be the dictionary can be accessed through keys by specifying it inside the square bracket. So the syntax for accessing the value of a key for a key in the dictionary is specify the dictionary name within the square bracket. We have to provide the key value. So with this only that we can just very well access. So this Raja can be retrieved by specifying the key within the square bracket. Just learn how to modify the dictionary. So there is a syntax for modifying the value of an existing key or for adding a new key value pair is the dictionary name within the bracket square bracket we need to give key that is equal to the value could be assigned. So this specific syntax is both for um, modifying the value of an existing key or for adding the new key value pair. So if the key is already present, what happens? The key gets updated with the new value. And if it is not, that is the key is not present, then the new key value pair gets added to the dictionary. And if we try to access a non-existing key, then it will result in a key error. So this is a sample dictionary that we could take up with the four key value pairs. We will try to modify this data by using the syntax. Just learn how to update the dictionary. So already we have a sample with the first key value pair has got its mala. So we are going to change that mala as money, and we can just provide this by using this line. And the ID, since there is no such ID is available, this will be added as a data, and as there is no such color is available, so it will automatically give a key error. There is another way to create a dictionary by using the built-in dictionary function. The syntax for dict function, when the optional keyword argument is used, is as given in the formation dict of some keyword arguments within the square parenthesis. The function dict returns a new dictionary initialized from an optional keyword arguments, and if there is no such argument is given in the dict function, the empty dictionary will be created. And the keyword arguments are given, the keyword arguments and their values of the form keyword is equal to keyword argument is equal to value that will be added to the dictionary as a key value pass. For example, the numbers is equal to dict of the three arguments specified over here, 1, 2 and 3, and it will just create a dictionary with the following key value pass. Python provides built-in functions which are used on dictionaries. So we'll just see some of the built-in functions available. Len function returns the number of items in a dictionary, and all function returns true value if the all the keys in the dictionaries are true, or else it will return false. And the function any returns true value if any of the key in the dictionary is true, or else it will just return false. And there is one more function which is called sorted. This sorted function by default it returns a list of items which are sorted based on dictionary keys. We will just learn with the dictionary methods. associated with the dictionary. The first method is clear. This method which removes all the key value pairs from the dictionary, and from keys method which creates a new dictionary from the given sequence of elements. Um, the get method returns the value associated with the specified key in the dictionary, and the items. This method returns the new view of dictionary's key and the value pairs as tuples. The keys. This method returns new view consisting of all the keys in the dictionary. Pop method removes the key from the dictionary and it returns its value. And pop item, met, uh, this method removes and returns all arbitrary key value tuple pair from the dictionary. Select set default, a method returns a value for the key present in the dictionary, and update method updates the dictionary with key value pass from the other dictionary object and it returns none. This value method returns new view consisting of all the values in the dictionary. So let us see with how we can just populate the dictionaries, and we have to start it with an empty dictionary. Then you can just update it with the update method, and to assign a value to the key using the assignment operator. If the key does not exist, then the key value pass will be created automatically and added to the dictionary. So for example, we can just very well start with an empty dictionary, which is a dictionary name as country, and we can just update it by using the update method, and gradually that we are just populating it, or you can just add the items in the form of key value pairs. So now this dictionary consists of three elements with the key value, three key value pairs. We'll just right now we'll just learn about building the dictionary through the program, and we can just follow some of the methods. Well, we form the dictionary. We will just have an empty dictionary first, then after which that we can just read some key and its corresponding value. So two set of values are going to be used by using the for range statement, and we can just update it. So this particular update functionality will update the dictionary. So two set of values are to be will be read out and it will be um, created. And in the second method, we can just assign the value to the key so that we can just form the dictionary. So you can just have a new dictionary, empty dictionary being defined, then later which that we can use the same for index and range. Two values will be read out and it will be assigned. This value is assigned to the key and you can just build the dictionary. And in the third method, we'll just follow the same procedure, that is update. So start with the empty dictionary, then you can just iterate I um, from 0 to 1, and you can use the while condition. Then each and every iteration you have to increment I so that you can just form a dictionary. So we learn the program through Jupyter Notebook. So we'll let us execute the program by using the Jupyter Notebook. We'll just create it. Um, we'll just key in the segments and we'll try to run the program. So this is the first method. We need to create an empty, or we can just say define empty dictionary, and we'll just give the two set of values, and by using the update function we can have the dictionary can be created. So we'll just execute it. We'll enter the name, key as a name, value as Rani, key is register number, and its corresponding value is 555. So that we can just create a dictionary. So we'll have the second method. Um, just create an empty dictionary and we can just assign the value to the key so that we can just create a dictionary. So we'll have key as Rani, we'll have a value as register number, just my key, and value is 555. So this is the third method. We will try to execute this thing, but we are just making use of the update method. But only thing is that we have the while statement. So thus we are just creating the dictionary. You just execute it. The key is name and value is Rani. Key is register number and the value is 555. And thus we can just create the dictionary. So we need to know how we can just traverse the dictionary. So traversing is nothing but iterating through the dictionary. That is, we'll just visit each and every value pair in order. So when you access the Python dictionary, we need to traverse the key value present in the dictionary. And this iterating a dictionary is very important task if you want to actually properly use the dictionary. And a for loop can be used to iterate over keys, or it could be on values or key value pairs in the dictionary. Suppose if you want to iterate over a dictionary using a for loop, then by default we will iterate over the keys only. If you want to iterate over the values, and we need to use values method. And if suppose if you want to iterating over the key value pair, we need to explicitly we need to specify the items method. So this is a sample program in order to traverse the dictionary. So this is by using the keys we have iterated, and by using the values we have iterated, and the third thing that we'll just the item, that is both the key and the value pairs can be uh, traversed. So we'll just see how we can just delete the items in the dictionary. So once you just maintain it in the dictionary, if you want to delete the item, we can just make use of the del statement, right? And we have to specify the name of the dictionary along with the key value. So here that we have defined a dictionary with the animals names, with the three animals names, and the second animal name has been deleted by specifying the key, which is C. To conclude, a dictionary associates a set of keys with values. The built-in function dict returns a new dictionary initialized from an optional keyword argument. Len, all, any, and sort are some of the built-in methods used on dictionaries. and the del statement is used to delete an item for a given key. The dictionary methods like keys, values, and items are used to retrieve the values. The methods like pop and update are used to manipulate the dictionary key value pass. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.